Hello guys, welcome to the CHOCH. Because today we're gonna be talking some basics on trading Forex or crypto market. So today we're gonna be talking on how to read candlesticks, basic market structures, and what are BOS and CHOCHs. So if you are new in this channel, you can just subscribe if you find value in what we give. So we're gonna start with how to read candlesticks. Obviously, candlesticks are things that indicate to us and give us information on where the market is moving to. So as you can see on the chart here, these are our bullish candlestick, and our bearish candlestick. Actually, bullish actually means candlestick that moves upward. That's the meaning of bullish. It means it moves up, while for bearish, those are candlesticks that moves down. Candlestick that moves downward. So if you notice, the difference between these two is that the open price of a bearish candlestick is above while the closing price is below. Here the open price is below while the closing price is above. So this high and low actually just indicates the highest point that candle reach and the lowest point the candle reach. Is the same for bullish candlesticks. And these tiny lines in between are called the wicks of the candle. And this thick portion is called the body of the candle. Okay, so that's all about candlestick reading. And now we're gonna go to the next, which is the basic market structure. There are two types of market structure, which is a ranging market and the trending market. For a ranging market, this is how it looks like. You see, market chooses two prices in between and ranges consolidates in between. It doesn't have a particular direction it's moving to. And the next is a trending market. The trending market is actually divided into two types, which is the uptrend and the downtrend. If you notice, I've already highlighted it here, so you can see here is the uptrend. What is an uptrend actually? An uptrend is a trending market which forms a higher high, a higher low, higher low, moving up. While downtrend is a market that forms a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Actually, is moving downward. So that's all about a trending market and market structure forms. So now I think the next is what are bosses and what is a boss and what is a coach. So let's kind of like look at on this. When we talk about boss, it's actually when the market forms a higher high and a higher low and forms another higher high. When this another higher high is formed, we call that a boss. What is a boss? A boss simply stands for break of structure. That means the market has break structure. Like, you see, market goes up, give us a higher high, higher low. When the price breaks the order, give us a higher price, we call that a break of structure. So we call this now a break of structure. This is our break of structure here. This is our break of structure. So market has broken structure here, moving up. This is how break of structures in an uptrend is formed. For a downtrend, when the market forms a lower low and a lower high and breaks this lower low to form a new lower low, we call that a break of structure. Like, you see the market is coming down, lower low, lower high. When it breaks, it's called, this break here is called the break of structure for a bearish trend. Bearish trend actually means downtrend. That means the market is moving down. Okay, we talk about coaches. Coaches actually means change of structure. That is change of structure. That means the market has changed change of character. Sorry. I just had some really hard times. Okay, so coaches actually means change of character. So if you notice here, the market has been moving and giving us sorry for the noise. Market has been giving us a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So now, at some point, when the market gave us a new higher high, it broke down and gave us a lower low. Notice this low here is lower than this. We call that now a change of character. When you see a change of character, you should actually expect a change of trend, either in the upside or the downside. So here is a change of trend from an uptrend to a downtrend. Some of you will be like, what is a change of trend from a downtrend to an uptrend? Okay, let me just kind of like indicate it here. Market is moving down, right? Break structure, and at some point, and at some point you see forms a higher high. That's a break of structure. That's our break of structure here. Here is our break of structure. Notice market came down. I'm gonna take this out. Notice the market came down. Break structure. Let me state it out. Market break structure, and we have our coach. This is a change of character now. When you see a change of character, you start expecting an uptrend. You see, there's change of character, and after the change of character, the market starts moving upward. So that is just the basics and basic knowledge of what is a boss and what is a coach. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys now a live example, like on the chat. So basically, this is GPY USD. Okay, I'm gonna be using this. If you see here for UJ, market has been moving downward, and we can like plot it out so you can see market is moving downward. See, right? Came down. Notice this is a downtrend. It's a downtrend. Okay. Let me kind of like adjust something. Notice this is a downtrend. Market has been giving us our break of structure. Let me indicate the break of structures here. So you see, it's a live market. Break of structures. You know, it's not as clean as my drawings. You know, the reality is not always the same. Okay, so we have the break of structure here. Okay, you notice the market came down, break structure again, and spiked up. It gave us a change of character, right? If you can see, and give us another change of character. Okay, so notice the market break structure here, and at this point, when it reaches this price, it gave us a change of character. That means give us a higher high, indicating a break of structure. That means market has broken structure here. So now we now expect an uptrend. You see the market is now moving up. Market is now moving up from the downtrend to an uptrend. And now I've noticed this another break of structure, so we should expect the continuation of the trend to continuously go down. Okay, so that's just all about market structure, candlestick readings, and bosses and coach. So if you find this valuable to you and helpful, just click on the subscribe button and the notification so you can watch our new videos, and to show us love, just hit on the thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Thank you and have a nice day.